Police car's revolving light. Did you know that some of the foods you reheat every day could actually be harming your brain and body? Face screaming in fear. Yes, that's right. Scientists warn that these 4 common foods, when reheated, may release toxins that increase your risk of cancer or even dementia. But which foods are on this dangerous list? Stick around because we're revealing them one by one, and you won't believe how simple changes in your kitchen could protect your health. White heavy checkmark. Before we dive in, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving tips and food secrets you need to know. Lesson 1. The hidden dangers of reheating food. Have you ever reheated your lunch or dinner, thinking it's perfectly safe? Most of us do it every day without giving it a second thought. But here's something shocking. Some of the foods we love to reheat can actually be harmful to our health. Don't worry, it's not meant to scare you. The good news is that once you know which foods to watch out for and how to handle them, you can enjoy your meals safely. When we reheat certain foods, their chemical structure can change. These changes may release toxins that our bodies don't like at all. For example, rice, potatoes, chicken, and mushrooms are all delicious staples in many homes, but when reheated incorrectly, they can become dangerous over time. Imagine enjoying your favorite leftover meal, only to discover it could slowly affect your health. Sounds alarming, right? But the bright side is, a little knowledge goes a long way in keeping you safe. Let's think about it positively. Knowing this means you have the power to protect yourself and your family. Instead of feeling anxious, you can start making small, smart changes in your kitchen. For instance, storing food properly in airtight containers, cooling it quickly before putting it in the fridge, and reheating it evenly can make a huge difference. These easy steps allow you to enjoy your meals without worry. What's fascinating is how our bodies react to food. Our digestive system works best with fresh nutrients, and reheated foods sometimes lose some of their nutritional value or develop compounds that are hard to digest. But here's the exciting part. By learning which foods are safe to reheat and which are better eaten fresh, you can boost your energy, protect your brain, and even improve your overall well-being. So, the key takeaway for lesson 1 is simple. Awareness is your best friend. Reheating isn't always bad, but knowing the hidden dangers helps you make smarter choices. And remember, every small step you take toward healthier eating is a step toward a longer, happier life. Stay curious, stay safe, and in our next lesson, we'll reveal the 4 common foods that are especially risky when reheated and how to enjoy them safely. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips that make your meals both delicious and safe. Lesson 2. 4 common foods that turn toxic when reheated. Now that you know why reheating food can sometimes be risky, it's time to reveal the 4 common foods that need special attention. Don't worry, this isn't about scaring you. It's about giving you the knowledge to enjoy your favorite meals safely and with confidence. 1. Rice. Rice is a staple in many homes, and leftovers are super common. But when rice is cooked and left at room temperature before reheating, it can grow bacteria that produce toxins. These toxins may cause food poisoning if eaten. The good news: if you store rice in the fridge within an hour of cooking and reheat it properly, it's perfectly safe to enjoy. 2. Potatoes. Potatoes are another favorite, whether mashed, roasted, or baked. But reheating cooked potatoes can lead to harmful bacteria growth, especially if they were stored improperly. Instead of worrying, you can simply store them in a cool place and reheat evenly before eating. A little care goes a long way. 3. Chicken. Leftover chicken is delicious, but it can harbor bacteria like salmonella if not cooled and reheated correctly. Cooking it to the right temperature before eating kills harmful bacteria, making it safe and tasty. Remember, reheating in small portions is better than tossing a whole chicken in the microwave. 4. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are packed with nutrients, but they are delicate. When cooked mushrooms are left out too long and reheated, they can lose their nutritional value and even produce toxins. The solution is simple: store mushrooms in the fridge and reheat them quickly at moderate heat. Here's the exciting part: by knowing these 4 foods, you can enjoy your meals without worry. Awareness is power. Instead of avoiding these foods altogether, you now have the tools to enjoy them safely. This means you don't have to give up leftovers, you just need the right habits. So, the key takeaway from lesson 2 is simple: smart storage and proper reheating make all the difference. With small, easy steps, you can protect your health while still enjoying your favorite dishes. Stay positive, stay safe, and get ready for Lesson 3, where we'll explore the health risks linked to reheating foods and how small changes can safeguard your brain and body. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips that make your meals both delicious and safe. Lesson 3, Health Risks You Must Know. Now that we know which foods can be risky when reheated, it's important to understand why. Don't worry, this isn't meant to scare you. Instead, it's about learning how small habits can protect your body and keep you feeling your best every day. When certain foods are reheated, harmful bacteria or toxins can form. Over time, consuming these foods repeatedly can affect your health in serious ways. Some studies even show links between reheated foods and increased risks of digestive issues, weakened immunity, and long-term problems like cancer or dementia. But here's the positive side. Knowing this gives you the power to make smarter choices. Awareness is the first step toward a healthier lifestyle. Let's take a closer look. Reheated rice or potatoes can produce toxins that may upset your stomach or make you feel unwell if eaten regularly. Reheated chicken or mushrooms, if not handled properly, can harbor bacteria that your body doesn't like. But with simple precautions like storing foods quickly in the fridge, reheating them evenly, and avoiding leaving leftovers at room temperature, you can enjoy your favorite meals safely. The fascinating part is that our bodies are designed to handle fresh, nutritious food best. Reheating sometimes reduces the nutritional value of certain foods or creates compounds that are harder to digest. But here's the bright side: by following safe reheating practices, you can maintain your energy, support brain health, and protect your overall well-being. Small changes in your kitchen can lead to big results for your health. The key takeaway from Lesson 3 is simple: knowledge equals power. Once you understand the health risks of reheating foods, you can take practical steps to enjoy leftovers without worry. You don't have to give up your favorite meals, you just need to handle them the right way. Remember, your health is in your hands, and every smart choice counts. By being careful with food storage and reheating, you're protecting yourself and your loved ones. Stay positive, stay mindful, and enjoy your meals safely. Get ready for Lesson 4, where we'll share easy, practical tips to enjoy these foods safely and make your kitchen a healthier place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips that make your meals both safe and delicious. Lesson 4, Safe Tips to Enjoy These Foods Without Risk. Now that you know which foods can be risky when reheated and the potential health effects, it's time for the exciting part: how to enjoy your favorite meals safely. Don't worry, it's easier than you think, and with just a few simple habits, you can make your kitchen a much safer and healthier place. First, storage is key. After cooking, try to cool your food quickly before putting it in the fridge. Leaving food out for too long can allow harmful bacteria to grow. Using airtight containers not only keeps your meals fresh but also prevents unwanted odors or germs. For foods like rice, potatoes, and chicken, storing in smaller portions can make reheating easier and safer. Next, reheating properly makes all the difference. Instead of microwaving unevenly, heat food evenly until it's hot all the way through. This helps kill any harmful bacteria and keeps the taste delicious. For soups or sauces, stirring while heating can make it safer and more enjoyable. Avoid reheating food multiple times. Each cycle can reduce nutrients and increase risks. Another tip is to trust your senses. If food smells off, looks different, or has a strange texture, it's better not to take the risk. Choosing fresh ingredients whenever possible is always a smart habit. And remember, even small changes, like eating leftovers within a day or two, can have a big impact on your health. The great thing about these tips is that they empower you. Instead of avoiding reheated meals altogether, you now know exactly how to handle them safely. This means you can save time, reduce food waste, and still enjoy your favorite dishes without worry. It's all about being mindful and taking simple, positive steps in your daily life. So, the key takeaway from Lesson 4 is simple: smart storage, careful reheating, and fresh choices can make a huge difference. By following these easy tips, you're protecting your health, boosting your energy, and keeping your meals safe and tasty. Stay positive, stay safe, and enjoy your food with confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving tips and kitchen secrets that make your meals both delicious and healthy. Your journey to safer, happier eating starts today. Conclusion. Thank you for watching. Now you know which common foods can be risky when reheated and how simple habits can keep you and your family safe. If you found even a little bit of this video helpful, I'd love to hear from you. Which tip surprised you the most, or do you have your own safe food habits to share? Comment below and join the conversation. We read every single message. Your feedback not only helps us improve but also inspires others to make healthier choices in their kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving tips, and let's keep learning together how to enjoy our meals safely and deliciously.